Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 96 of building the Back to the Future DeLorean. We've finished most of the I think, of the main body panels. So now we're doing some more detail work. We're putting some little final bits to the outside of the door. So we're fitting this the valance underneath the left side door, and then the interior sort of runner mat type thing. That's it, really. A couple of screws to hold that in place and little sticky pads to hold that in place. Won't take very long. Nice quick build to finish off the month. The reviews are in. Back to the Future Part 2 came out after they finished filming 3, obviously futuristic future cars and things, and people quite liked it. I think that's the way it goes. So yes, the poster obviously for the Back to the Future Part 2. All good stuff. Clara's telescope. You're looking at 3. So yeah, going back to that. Yes, next time doing the same again on the other side. So that will be even quicker than this one because I know what I'm doing. Although I haven't got these yet, so I might have forgotten. But yeah, let's see how we're getting on. So here we have it. This is what we're fitting underneath the door, and then the strip that we're sticking over the top. 2 screws to hold it in place, which are going in there and there. So we need to open the door. Yeah, this is not going to be easy to film. I tip it up a bit so you can see sort of what I'm doing. But obviously I can't hold that open and do everything. So yeah, let's see how this is going to work. I'll tip it up even more. There we go. A bit like that. So this is going on there just to finish off the underside across there. So I'll get this held in place with the 2 screws and then I'll show you sticking that bit on. Okay, that is in there. So, yeah, it just needs a little bit of clipping in place, I think. Finally, there we go. A little bit wasn't quite in place. That's that. I peeled the backing from here. So now we can slip that in place on there, covering those 2 screw holes quite nicely. Really finishing that off. I like that. I like that a lot. So there we have it. One side completed. Although the door doesn't quite sit flush. I'm sure it's okay. I think it's all down to the whole manipulation of everything. That this is the door that was proving a problem. I can't get it apart to do anything with it, but it's lovely. Right, so there we have it. That is that. Another one done. That is it for this month's delivery. So I shall see you next time when we can do the same again on the other side and then progress on who knows where. We'll find out soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye for now.